Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Olahozu. So if your keyboard is not working, let's just talk. The topic we are talking about today is about keyboard. Most Android phone, when you use it for long, the keyboard will start malfunctioning. When you are trying to tap it to like pop up so you can type something, it will not agree popping up. As you can see, it just pop up, but sometimes see it went back. But if you keep, it will not pop up again. So this is how to fix it. First, you have to go to your settings. You click on your settings, let it open. My phone is a bit slow. You now click on, go down to your settings and look for app management. You click on the app management. You now click on this app list. So now when the apps appear, me my phone I'm using keyboard, but you can search for the keyboard your phone came with. But most Android phone normally come with keyboard. Only if maybe I don't know does, but most Android phone come with keyboard. Only if we add and install additional keyboard to it. So what you scroll down, since I can't be able to search it now, since the keyboard is not popping up, you go down, look for Gboard. When you see the Gboard, see what is doing. 1.15 gig, 1 gig. That's the space the Gboard is skeleton. So you click on it. Click on it. Sorry guys, because my phone is a little bit slower. You click on storage. When you click on storage, you click on clear this cake first. Cache. Click on it. Then you click on clear storage. Okay, you clear everything. So now by now it's supposed to be popping up, but the thing still have problem popping up. You know what you do? If thing still have problem popping up, just restart your phone, then the keyboard will popping up as usual. Just restart your phone. So thank you for watching this video. For you, like, for staying till this part of this video, please kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.